Here is how to upload an HTML file to Wix, step by step. Start by signing in to your Wix account, then open the website where you want to place the HTML file. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before moving ahead. This takes you to the site dashboard, where you can access the editing tools for that specific website. Next, open the Wix editor. Depending on what appears in your dashboard, click Design Site or Edit Site. Both options take you into the editor, where you can change the layout and add content to the page. If the editor takes a moment to load, wait until the page is fully visible before continuing so the tools are available. Once you are in the editor, go to the Add button, shown as a plus sign. Click it, then look for the Embed section. Inside that section, choose Embed HTML. This places an HTML embed element onto your page. The element works like a container where your custom code can be displayed within the Wix site. After the element appears on the page, click on it to open its settings. You should see an option labeled Enter Code or Edit Code, depending on the version of the editor you are using. Select that option to open the HTML code box. This is where the contents of your HTML file will be added. Now move to your HTML file and copy the code from it. You will want to copy the file contents themselves, not just the file name. Return to Wix and paste that code into the HTML code box. Make sure the full code is included if your file contains multiple lines, and check that nothing is left out at the beginning or end when you paste it. With the code in place, click Update or Apply. This inserts the HTML into the embed element on your page. At this point, Wix refreshes the element so the embedded content can display inside the space you added. If the content appears cut off or does not fit the frame well, that is adjusted in the next step. Click the embedded HTML element again and resize it by dragging its edges. You can also move it to a different position on the page so it fits the rest of your layout. Adjust the width, height, and placement as needed until the embedded content sits where you want it and has enough room to display properly. When everything looks right, click Publish. Publishing pushes the updated page live, which makes the embedded HTML available on your website for visitors to view. If Wix asks you to confirm the publish action, go ahead and complete it so the latest version of the page becomes active. Your HTML code is now embedded and published on your live Wix website.